Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Elaine Reyes in Washington, D.C. We start with breaking news. An appeals court panel has announced a ruling on the Trump travel ban. They have declined to reverse a lower court's order, meaning the temporary suspension of travel restrictions remains. CGTN's Mark New joins us on the phone from San Francisco. Mark.
That's right. The courts decided by a unanimous decision 3-0 to vote against the Trump immigration ban against 7 Muslim majority countries. It was a unanimous decision, and they were just handed out a 29-page written document that summarizes their argument. And in the final statement, they said, on the one hand, the public has a powerful interest in national security and in the ability of an elected president to enact policies. And on the other hand, the public also has an interest in free flow of travel, in avoiding separation of families, and in freedom from discrimination. And they said we need to characterize the public interest more definitely than this. When considered alongside the hardships discussed above, these competing public interests do not justify a stay. This is seen as a very liberal court in San Francisco. There were 3 judges, one appointed by President Barack Obama, one by President Jimmy Carter, and one by George W. Bush. Where it goes next is an interesting case, because there are simply 3 options. They could decide to have a full court, all the judges review it here, or they could go back to Seattle and resume the cases there, or they could go to the Supreme Court. Most likely, when I talk to experts here, would be going back to Seattle. Elaine.
All right, CGTN's Mark New joining us live from San Francisco.